Hey guys, what's up? Hope you all are doing well and hope you all are safe and stay at home. So guys, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video, I will share with you information. It's a recent job openings from Canada, and as far I collect the informations from the month of September or October, the visa process should be starts again. So guys, I want you collect this information. If you are looking for a job in any country and if you have a dream to move any international country, then please watch this video till the end and collect the informations about the recent job openings, about the abroad jobs, and utilize these informations and apply for the job. And of course, in the upcoming months you can attend the interview and you can process for the visa and the abroad job. So guys, let me tell you what is the recent job openings from Canada and how you can apply and what is the criteria to apply for these jobs. Everything details I will explain you. So guys, I want collect these informations and keep with you and utilize this informations in the proper time. So let's move and let's know what is the recent job openings from Canada. As you can see here, the first job is administration officer required in Canada. So guys, as you can see here, this is a recent job openings. Job requirements, language requirements, English. Of course, if you want a abroad job, you should have the proper communication skills in English. So guys, as you can see here, this is a job openings from Canada and the job is administration officer. If you are belongs to these professionals and if you have a dream to move Canada, please apply as soon as possible and wait for the interview schedule time. So guys, the requirements is secondary high school graduation certificates and 1 year to minimum 2 years less than experience requirements in the relevant field. Specific skills requirements carry out administrative activities of establishment, administrative policies and procedures related to the release of records and processing requests under government, access to information and privacy registrations. So guys, this is the specific skills requirement to apply for this job. Additional skills also requirements delegate work to office support staffs. And the thing is how you can apply. Here, the company or the employer provide a official email ID through which you can send your updated CV with cover letters. If you have no idea about the cover letter, you can search on Google how to make a cover letter to apply for a job in Canada, and you can apply as soon as possible. And guys, I'm telling you very clearly, this is the recent job openings from Canada. If you are really interested to apply, collect this information and apply as soon as possible. So let's move the next step. Automatic mechanic required in Canada. Language requirements English. Education requirements. I'm sorry for the background sound, but I have to share this information. This is very important. If you are really want a job in Canada and if you have a plan to move Canada in the future, this information will be helpful for your careers. So guys, this is the requirements for mechanics. Mechanical requires specific skills requirements and area of specialization. Once again, I apologize for the background sound. So guys, for this mechanic jobs, you should have the proper qualifications and experience. Area of specializations, as you can see here, standards transmissions, engineer repair, engine repair, and overhaul automatic transmissions. So this is all about the mechanic jobs. You should have read it carefully before you apply for this job. So let's move to the next job. The applying procedure is same. You have need to send your updated CV with cover letters to the given official email ID. All official email ID, including all information you can get from the description below this video. Next up, kitchen helper. So this is a on-skill labor jobs. As a cooker, you can also apply for these jobs, but it's basically kitchen helper jobs. No degree requirements, but you should have the relevant experience in the relevant field. Guys, if you are really interested to work as a kitchen helper, you can apply through this email ID. You need to send your updated CV with cover letters. So guys, again, I would like to tell you, please read all informations before you apply for any jobs. All information is available below the descriptions. So you can read it carefully from the descriptions. Next job, truck drivers. As a truck driver, you should have the international experience, international license also. As you can see here, you should have driving license class 3 or D, which belongs to Canada. And if you are already in Canada, if you are finding a job, this is a proper opportunity. Don't miss it. Apply as soon as possible. You should have the English proper communication skills, the proper relevant experience. Then only you can apply by sending your updated CV to the given official email ID. And also, if you are available in Canada, you can directly visit to the address. As you can see here, you can fax also. You can do a fax of your all documents and you can apply. Next up, food store clerk required in Canada. To work as a food store clerk, you should have English proper knowledge, education requirements, secondary school graduation certificates, experience requirements 1 to less than 7 months, specific skills requirements as you can see here, operate cash register, provide advice about merchandise, greet customers and discuss type, quality and quantity of merchandise or services sort of purchase, rental or delay or reach, assist in display or mechanics. So guys, if you are interested to work for this job, you can apply by forwarding your updated CV to the given official email ID. Every job having their official email ID, you need to share all information regarding your certificates, your qualifications, your CV, your cover letters, everything details. Then only you will be shortlisted to attend the interview. First of all, you need to send your all documents to the given official email ID. So let's move to the next job, web designer required in Canada. To apply for this job, you should have English proper knowledge. You should have college CEGP or other non-university certificates or diploma from a program of 1 to 2 years or equivalent experience. And you should have the 1 year to minimum less than of 2 years of experience requirements. And as you can see here mentioned here, the specific skills requirements as per mentioned here, then only you can apply for this job. So guys, I'm telling you again and again, for every requirements you should have the proper knowledge and proper qualifications. I'm sorry for this, so please focus. This is the latest job openings, different job openings from Canada. For which job you want to apply, you can apply for this job. Don't be late. Let's move to next job. It's also kitchen helper required. It's in the different locations. If you have, you should have the proper qualifications and experience, then only you can apply for this job. And you need to send your all documents, all experience, all qualifications to the given official email ID. Then only you will be shortlisted to attend the interview. I'm telling you very clearly, don't forget. So I already told you truck drivers, kitchen helpers, administration officers, food clerk, everything. Different job openings from Canada. Don't miss it like web designer, software developer. So please don't miss this chance. First of all, if you have a dream to move abroad, you should have to apply again and again. So never focus any negative things, never listen to negative people. You need to apply again and again if you have a dream to move abroad. Guys, I already told you this is a different job openings from Canada. Like again, I will tell you what is the job openings. Restaurant cashier, food, kitchen helper, web designer, administration officer, different job openings from Canada. So again, I would like to tell you this information is available in the descriptions. If you are really interested, go to the descriptions under this video, collect all informations, and for which job you want to apply, you can apply as soon as possible by sending your updated CV and cover letter to the given official email ID. After you sending your CV, when the company or the employee will be shortlisted your CV, then you will get a notifications to attend the interview. The interview locations and the time they will inform you by the mail. Then you can attend the interview. Then you can move forward to fulfill your dream to move abroad with a job. So guys, I hope this information will be helpful for your careers. So please share this information to all of the job seekers and your friends and relatives. And of course, you can also utilize these informations. And again, lots of thanks for your valuable time. In the next video, I will come with a recent job openings from another country. Up to that, stay with me. God bless you. Bye bye.